Hi, so today we'll be looking at this product, okay, pen drive. I have two pen drive here. One is 16 GB, yeah, and another is 64 GB, yeah, and my 16 GB pen drive is USB 3.0, okay, and my 64 GB pen drive or flash drive is USB 2.0, okay, and the brand is Hikvision. The model is M200S. Actually, I went to the market to buy some other brand, but I bought this because the price was very nice, okay, and these are the genuine product, okay. It is imported by Neoteric, Nepal, okay. So let us test how this pen drive performs, okay. I'll be testing its read and write speed, okay. USB 2.0 and USB 3.0, okay, and in long run I'll be also updating how this brand pen drive will perform, okay. So let us see. Okay, let us unbox this two flash drive now. So let us scan this QR code. Okay, I'll be doing web search, okay. Okay, the product is found, okay, 16 GB 3.0. so this QR code is having the right direction, okay. Okay, now let us look for this 64 GB. Website, yes, the product is found, okay, yeah. Now let us unbox it. It's all sealed packed, okay. Here is the original hologram, okay. It's all sealed packed, okay. You can't open from anywhere, you have to cut it. Maybe you have to cut from here. It's okay, let us cut. It's not open still, okay. This is of steel and this is of plastic. USB 3.0, okay, it is blue, this color. This is USB 3.0, it's written also. 16 GB, and the build quality is also very good, okay. It's very good, okay, build quality. Now let us unpack this 64 GB. You can open from here as well. and USB 2.0 has this black color. Okay, in this way also you can distinguish between USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. However, not every USB 3.0 has blue color. Okay, because my one laptop has USB 3.0 but it's still black. Okay, but that's very old laptop. Okay, now whatever comes in USB 3.0, it will come in this blue color. It's not that loose also. Okay, it's tight. Sixty-four GB, 16 GB. USB 2.0, 64 GB. USB 3.0, 16 GB. I bought this 16 GB for making a bootable Windows drive, and the 64 GB for normal storage. Actually, I was searching for this 64 GB with USB 3.0, but I didn't get. I got only USB 2.0, so I had to buy this. So let us check its speed. Okay, first let us look at this 16 GB USB 3.0. I've connected this pen drive to my USB 3.0 port of my laptop. Now let us check its read and write speed. Here, this is my 16 GB USB 3.0 pen drive, and you can see 14.6 GB is only free. Okay, so let us check its read and write speed. So I will be choosing here my this G drive. Yeah, here G drive. Yeah, so let us test. So this is our result for 16 GB USB 3.0 flash drive. Let us check from another software as well. Okay, now let us check with this software. This is my 16 GB flash drive here, right? G, so I'll be choosing here. So let us start. So this is my reading speed and this is my writing speed for this 16 GB pen drive. Yeah, this is 64 GB USB 2.0 flash drive. I have inserted this in USB 3.0 port of my laptop. So now let us check its read and write speed. So this is my 64 GB USB 2.0 flash drive, and 58.5 GB is only free. So let us check its read and write speed. Here target disk is our H drive, so H. So let's start. So this is our result. Now let us check with another software. So I'll be selecting this as drive, okay, and let's start. So this is our result with this software. There is a red light indicator letting you know your USB flash drive is in use.